So this week I'd like to talk to you a little bit about preventive maintenance. And those of you who know who I am know I like to continually, repetitively talk about these things because these are things that really do cost you tremendous amounts of money. And things I'm talking about is hydraulic lines, say on some of your equipment. Winter time for some of you, you're shutting down a little bit slower. Take that time and go through your equipment. Look for the hydraulic lines. If there's an area where it's rubbing or chafing, replace a line, get another piece of hose to wrap over the top of it to protect it from continuing to do that. Watch your tires. If you got a tire that's worn or a tire that's got a rip in it or a tear, get that thing replaced. Last thing you want is your guys heading to a job and that tire blows out. Now you've got 3 or 4 guys sitting on the side of the road. You're waiting for another truck to come to either pick the guys up or a wrecker or whatever it is to solve that issue. So tires are big. Tracks on your machinery. Check your tracks. If you got a rip or a tear in your track, see if you can either get it repaired or look into replacing it. Possibly, maybe you don't have to replace it at that time, but order one so you got one sitting in your shop available. So the second that thing breaks on a job or you have an issue, you're on the phone, get that guy to come out, bring your track so you can get your track put on. Some very simple little things like this that you can do way in advance. Again, just having a set of eyes on it and watching and trying to look and strategically plan for and looking for those areas that might cost you money, because there's nothing worse than having 3 or 4 guys sitting on a job and you're sitting there and you're looking at a broken piece of equipment and not a soul can do a thing about it. So plan ahead a little bit, watch, and there's many other areas, worn tools and parts and different things on pieces of equipment that you can watch for that could lead to preventive downtime.